Let's practice simple Pilates at home so that we can improve on our posture. You may need a yoga block and a towel, but if you don't have a yoga block, that's fine. But more important, maybe just want to grab hold of a towel like this, like a sports towel, and we can place it beside your mat. Let's begin right now. So we're going to start by lying down on our mat. So if you have the yoga block, you can place it between your knees, but if you don't have, that's fine. Just keep your knees and your feet hip distance apart. All right. So from here, we're going to keep the knees and feet hip distance apart. So from here, let's grab hold of our towel, relax our shoulders. We want to keep our spine neutral, lengthen our spine, shoulders away from our ears. Let's just make a number 4 with our hands like this. Okay, our thumb gripping hold of the towel. So from here, let's take a few deep breaths here. So inhale and exhale. So we want to inhale through our nose and exhale from pursed lips. So inhale here. As we exhale, gently move the arms over our head. Now you want to avoid this by going too low and the back start to arch. So it's better to just keep it like this and engage the shoulder blades, stabilizing our trunk. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, make sure we're not arching the neck, so chin towards the throat. Inhale and exhale gently over our head. Everyone's different, so start at the level that you're not arching your back. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale, reaching up, exhale, and slowly relax. Okay, relax the elbows, and from here you can walk your feet or adjust your feet slightly so you feel very comfortable, the feet not too far or too close. So from here, okay, I'm just going to hold on to the towel. Okay, if you don't have a towel, that's fine also. You can always do this without the towel. So from here, lengthening our spine, inhale. Now exhale, go into imprint. So rounding our low back, slowly peel the spine off the mat all the way up to our shoulder blades. And slowly from here, if you feel comfortable, reach the arms up, inhale. Exhale, release the elbows down and release the spine down one vertebra at a time. Slowly rounding the lower back, release the buttock and relax and returning to neutral pelvis alignment. All right, neutral spine. One more time, inhale. So exhale, we go into imprint, rounding the lower back to the mat. So tailbone pointing up. Slowly peel the spine off one vertebra at a time, all the way to our shoulder blades. You can see in this alignment, knees to shoulders, one long line. All right, and if you feel comfortable, slowly reach your arms up without arching your back. Inhale. Exhale, allow the towel to just touch your thighs and come back. Inhale. Exhale, elbows down, slowly release the spine down, one vertebra at a time. Relax our buttocks and come back to neutral. Okay, just place a towel here. All right, so you can remove the block first. You're going to draw one knee up, the other knee up. All right, you're going to have the lower back kissing the mat. So if you have your Pilates ball or your block, you can place it between the knees. This is just to help us to make sure that our knee is in a good position. Okay, especially when you're new, okay, we tend to move our knees. Shoulders away from our ears, lower back kissing the mat. So you do not want to arch, right? You want to keep the lower back kissing the mat. And relax the toes and reach the arms up. Okay, stabilize the shoulder blades. Inhale. Exhale one more time, slowly over our head. Inhale up. And exhale. So if you find that there's any discomfort, you can also have a longer towel so that your shoulders away from your ears. All right, 2 more and exhale. Inhale, make sure you're not arching the back and exhale. Most of the time people are not going to the following the 5 basic principles, and then you may do it wrongly and it defeats the purpose. All right, so from here, just bend the elbows. We're going to do it without the block. All right, remove the block and one more time and reach the arms up. Inhale. Now very slowly exhale, toe tap. We're going to have the toes touching the mat without arching the back and bring it in. And if you find this difficult, you can just float the toes, maybe just 2 inches off, and then bring it back. Inhale. exhale. So either just to this point here and bring it back. More important, if you understand exercise, we are not arching our back, so we stay in print. And as the toes go lower, you can feel the tightening of our lower abs. We're engaging our lower abs and slowly release down. Okay, and then from here, one more time, bring the arms up over our head, stabilize the shoulder blade, stretch, 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 and bring it back. Inhale, exhale, lower one foot down, lower the other foot down, and relax. You can slowly stretch out the legs and bring the arms over the head, shake out the legs. Okay, let's go into the neck flexion, but this time we're going to use the towel to help us a little bit. So you can place the towel back of our head. All right, so our feet slightly further away, shoulders away from our ears. Slowly inhale, nod the head. Exhale, flex the neck, flex the abs, gazing around our knees. We're not tensing our hip flexor, chin not jamming towards the throat. Inhale here and exhale. Okay, so if you do not have the towel, you can just use your hands like this, okay? So thumbs back of your ears and your fingers behind your eyes and elbows slightly off. Now this time we're going to do it with the legs up. So draw one knee up, draw the other knee up, lower back kissing the mat. Okay, softly pointing your toes. Inhale, nod the head. Exhale, flex the neck, flex the abs. So you're gazing around the knees, you're not looking up. Okay, so you have a nice neck flexion here, not straining your neck. Your thighs are soft, you're not tensing your quads. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, again, reminder, lower back not arching the back, and slowly release the neck and head down. Palms down on the mat. Inhale, exhale, lower one foot down, lower the other foot down, stretch out, and slowly bring the arms up over the head, stretch, 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 and release. All right, so from here, we're going to do one more just to focus on the shoulder blades. All right, so we're going to just, place the props at the side. Okay, this time our palms will face up. All right, so draw one knee up, draw the other knee up. Your knees and feet not touching, they are hip distance apart. Now from here, I'm going to float my palm up and make sure my lower back kissing the mat. All right, my shoulders away from my ears, my spine in neutral. Slowly reach my hands to the side and slowly go up. Now, you shouldn't be placing your hands here if your rib cage is puffing up. So keep the hands a bit higher, okay? And then slowly reach the arms up and down and reaching up. Inhale and exhale over the head, shoulders away. Let's have the palms slightly higher and then slowly draw two big semicircle. Okay, I'm just touching the wall on my fingers, okay? So try to make sure you have space and reach out to the side. Okay, just one more time and reaching up. Inhale and exhale down. This time we do the toe tap again and toe tap. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale up, exhale. Back to center, inhale, exhale, lower one foot down, lower the other foot down, reach your arms up, stretch, 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 and relax. Okay, we're gonna bend the knees and see whether you're able to crawl up, but we're gonna do it the modified version where our hands will touch of the outer thigh. All right, so from here, let's have the hands behind the head first. So we're gonna inhale, nod the head, exhale, flex the neck, and then flex the abs. So you're gonna move the hands here on the outer thighs. So inhale, continue to engage the core muscles and then touching the outer thigh, and you can see that my spine is in a C curve. Continue to walk up, okay, and then you can place your hands on your shin and breathe into your mid back. Relax. All right, let's come to the next position. Let's go on our hands and knees. Hands shoulder width apart, knees hip distance apart. All right, my shoulders directly over my wrist and my hip directly over the knees. Okay, so from here the weight distributed equally on my palms and on my kneecap without dropping my head down, okay, without sinking my belly, okay. So bring my belly up and then spine neutral, gently, without shifting the weight to the right side or left side. Okay, I'm going to just extend my right knee and float the leg up to hip level. Can you see that the alignment is one straight line? Common mistake will be this. Okay, maybe new students might sink down. All right, so you can always put the toes down right? But not tuck the toes, okay? So they can feel the weight of your legs, okay? Using core muscles to hold and lower the knees down. And let's go to the left side, okay? So first option, just toes, left hip not sinking and body not shifting to the right. If you feel comfortable, slowly float up and down. For those of you who have been practicing, you can also add in the hands. So let's practice one more time. Extend the right knee, float the leg up without arching, or float the opposite arm off in the W hand and extend if you feel comfortable. Take a deep breath here. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Palms down, toes down, knees down. If you feel any neck strain, I suggest you keep the palms down and slowly extend the left knee, float up, stay here, and other palm off. Extend the arm, stay here. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Palms down, toes down, knees down. Okay, and then from here we're just going to go into our long C curve, flexion. Breathe into our mid back. Bring the knees together, shift the weight back, and slowly release the hips down. Forehead down, hands beside the feet. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, curl up. Slowly reach the palms to the side and coming all the way up and relax. Let's end with the spinal rotation. So we're going to sit on the mat like this and just cross your legs. Okay, so if you have a rounded back, if that's very tight, I suggest you sit on a firm cushion or a block like this. Okay, you can adjust. Okay, you can either sit cross-legged or you can have your legs in a diamond. All right, and those of you who have been practicing, your hamstring not too tight, you can also straighten the legs. All right, so from here, you're going to have your, let's do the modified version. So our back, our fingers touching our forehead, elbows to the side. So legs can be straightened, diamond or cross. So perhaps I'm going to just stick with the diamond here. Chin parallel, inhale to our right. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Inhale, we're twisting from waist up. Exhale, exhale, exhale. So avoid swinging. So this is swinging and the head dropping forward. Okay, so lengthen the spine. Inhale, one more time. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Inhale, opposite. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Center. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, shoulders down, reach your hands to the side and all the way down. Okay, watch out for rib cage puffing forward. You want your rib cage to be neutral position. So this is the fundamental. So if you're not sure the fundamental, you can always click on the link below and just run through the fundamentals. Okay, I have a free resource for you. And slowly reach up. Shoulder blades down, reach up. Inhale. And exhale slowly to the side. Okay, and then gently hands on the knees and slowly go into our C curve. Stretching our back, breathing, 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 and slowly curl up. Okay, let's sit down on our mat. Place the block to the side. Okay, so just cross our legs comfortably, hands at the side. And inhale, reach your arms up, slowing down. Exhale, slowly stretch to the side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the opposite side. Inhale, center. One more time. Exhale. Inhale, center. And exhale. And back to center and relax. Okay, so today is just a short practice, but for now, let's just go into mindful breathing. So hands here, and the other hand can be on the chest, Relax the neck and shoulders. We want to focus on diaphragmatic breathing. So inhale, abdomen out. Exhale, abdomen in. Inhale, abdomen out. Exhale, abdomen in. Inhale, abdomen out. And exhale, abdomen in. Okay, gently open your eyes. So, first of all, in this position, when we're lying down, when we're working on the abdominal strength, many times we tend to compensate. So, for example, when we place our hands behind our head, we want to flex our neck. And as we flex our abs, we try not to tense our thighs, our buttocks. So many people curl up higher in this position, but then we are tilting our tailbone up and also squeezing the thighs and the glutes just to come up higher. Now today is a shorter practice. If you're interested in a longer practice, you can click on this video here. And I hope to see you in the next practice and have a great day.